Hello and welcome to Devical Maths. So today we are going to find out the values of such number whose sum power we have to find out. Okay, and with the help of law of exponents. So suppose we have to find 9 to the power 3 upon 2. So how we will find? So here we will discuss. Okay. Now so your first question is, if we have to find out 9 to the power 3 upon 2, so what will be your operations? So it seems to be quite difficult, but it is not actually difficult. So your first operation should be to remove your complexity and assume such number whose power can be written in place of 9. So we can write 3 square in place of 9, is it? And when we move to our next step, when we use so we make our question in form of a to the power m into n, a kind of identity, and whose value becomes a to the power mn. Now here both the powers will multiply together as per our law of exponent. Okay, so we have to assume in such a way that when we multiply both the powers, one power will cancel out. Okay, and it will be very easy for us to calculate the values which we get. So here you can see how 2 will cancel out, because 2 is in numerator, another one is denominator. So you have to assume in such a way that one power will get cancelled with that one. Now we have 3 to the power 3, that means 3 can be written in multiplication 3 times, and now when you multiply you will get 3 into 9 and 9 into 3 27. So 9 to the power 3 upon 2 is 27. That's your answer. Now moving to your second question. So here also you have to assume in such a way that when you multiply both the powers will cancel out and you will get a fresh value, and that will be very easy for you to get the answer. Now you can assume 32 as 2 to the power 5. Am right? You can assume that, and 32 to the power 2 upon 5 is given. Now as per your law of exponent, here you have created your question in such a way that it is a to the power m and to the power n. So as per your law of exponent, both the powers will multiply together. Now when you multiply 5 into 2 upon 5, so 5 into 5 will cancel out, and now you will have 2 to the power 2 only. Now 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 into 2, and hence 4 your answer. Now moving to your third question. So in third question you have to do same thing. Assume 16 as which power? 2 to the power 4. You can write in place of 16 2 to the power 4. When you assume in such a way, your other power, that is 3 upon 4, when it multiply with 2 to the power 4, it will cancel out. Are you getting my point? So you, in place of 16 you have written just 2 to the power 4. Okay, so it will be very easy once you learn the concept. Once you understand, you will assume in such a way that both the powers will multiply together and one powers will cancel out. And you also get same type of question in your board exam. Are you getting my point? So here 2 to the power 3 you have to find out. Now 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 multiplied by 3 times. So 8 will be your answer. Now moving to your fourth question. So fourth question is 125 to the power minus 1 upon 3. So don't hesitate or don't feel complexity when you see minus 1 upon 3. Just follow the process what I have told you and it will be solved again. So in place of 125 you have written just 5 to the power 3. So now you will have 5 to the power minus 1, and when some power is in minus 1, that means ki 5 is not 5, it is 1 upon 5. Okay, so if a number has power minus 1, that means ki it is in divide only. Okay, so 1 upon 5 will be your answer. I hope you understand.